sir, for teaching us the user experience from basic to user experience level and sharing all the interesting and mysterious stories behind Apple Disney with us. It was an amazing session, and that idea of peer learning, that was quite good. We have learned a lot by all those assessments, and yeah, that was so interactive session. Like कौन कहता है online learning boring होती है. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you so much, sir.
I am SXILL, first year BTech student from SGSITS Indore. सबसे पहले सर थैंक यू आपको, आपने इस वर्कशॉप में हमें टाइम दिया इतना, और वर्कशॉप मेरे लिए बहुत एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस और एक नया एक्सपीरियंस भी था। जैसे कोडिंग वगैरह के बारे में तो सुना था अभी तक मैंने, लेकिन UIUX मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नया एक्सपीरियंस था। जिस तरह से आपने एक्सप्लेन करा और जो एग्जांपल्स वगैरह आपने दिए, UIUX दिए, उससे अच्छा काफ़ी समझ में आया इसके बारे में। एंड थैंक यू।
Hello sir, myself Katyan Shukla and I am currently in second sem, and I joined this course just to know about this UI/UX field because I heard this term UI/UX but I had no idea what actually it was. So I joined this course and I found it very nice and informative. Now first coming to the pros, the course was organized, very well organized, and the ideas were very presented in a very neat and clean way so that it was not very confusing as to what was happening. Also the methods like storytelling or the interesting assignments which were given, and the unique methodology that the other students will only evaluate each other's assignments, it was very nice, and I enjoyed very much doing it. Now coming to the cons, I just found sometimes the course lagged a bit, and a better time management could have taken place. Also sometimes it was a bit difficult to understand the execution of what was being presented, but overall I enjoyed the course and it was a nice learning experience. Thank you.
Hello, this is Kanishka Yadav, second year student from SGSITS Indore. So recently I have attended a workshop on UI/UX by Mr. Vineet Raj Kapoor. It was a great workshop. We got to learn a lot from him. His experience clearly spoke, and my review for this workshop would be like it was more for people who have their recent startups and wanted to build a catchy application or website for their products. It was great for them, and it may have proved out wonder for them because you gave every little step to it. But for the people who have just started with their web designing career and wanted to like dive a little into the basic of UI/UX, they might not have got what they wanted. So this is for me basically. I'm not talking for all. I'm working on basic or simpler projects right now, so I wanted to have just a meaningful or a little information or more basic information of UI/UX so that I could apply on my websites and make it look really attractive. So this is it from my side. Thank you, and the workshop was really great. I'm looking forward for more such workshops. Thank you.